Welcome to the Ronel Jooste Financially Fit Life YouTube channel. Now on this channel I talk about finances, both personal finances as well as business finances. So if you are looking to learn more about finances, improve your financial fitness, learn more about money management and investments, how to create wealth and start your journey towards creating financial freedom, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. If you also own a business and you want to move your business to the next level, you want to learn more about effective financial management and how you can analyze your financial results to make empowered and powerful financial decisions and to create financial stability, learn more about cash flow and create more profit within your business, I also invite you to subscribe to this channel because I will be sharing a lot of financial tips, knowledge and lessons learned that can help you to create a better financial future for yourself, but to also help you to move your business to the next level, to create financial stability, and to not only be a business that is surviving, but become a business that is thriving. I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with you.